I think for me, there's a kind of fine line between what a composer is and a sound designer is. There's a real merge in between those two things. So a composer, you think about writing the music, but then for me, that really does feed into making interesting sounds, different soundscapes, bringing kind of musicality to everyday sounds as well. And then that kind of merges into the real world sounds. So for example, on this show, lots of bird sounds and atmosphere as well. So they are two distinct roles, but I think there's a lot of kind of merging in between the two of them. So whenever I start working on any show, I always find the most important thing is to really chat to the director and the writer, if that's a relevant thing as well. So chatting to Sean and to Greu as well about what the show was and what the role of the music is. I always think it's really important to kind of establish why music is there in the first place. So for this show, it was really apparent that music was going to be quite an important part of that, and the sound design was really important as well. So writing the music for Pryd Mae'r Haf was really, really fun because I just got to basically write an 80s album. Sean and I had really interesting conversations about what the music was doing and why it was there. And we kind of decided, because the music is really helping us transition between scenes. There's lots of scene changes in the play, and actually while that's happening, the set is being moved around now, ready for the next scene. So the music is very much a part of that transition. So I just got to write loads of really fun, bouncy 80s inspired pop synth tracks for the show, which I really enjoyed. I was so happy when that conversation came about.